Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make emulsion paint at home. Emulsion paint is also known as emulsion satin, that is washable paint. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make emulsion satin at home. So if you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you can have instant access to our videos each time we upload them. Emulsion paints can be made from the following materials. These are calgon, titanium dioxide, calcium carbonate, PVA, also known as acrylic, nitrosol, ammonia, formalin, genipaul, and deformer. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 5 liters of white emulsion paint. Calgon, a tablespoon. Titanium dioxide, 100 gram. Calcium carbonate, 3 kilogram. PVA, also known as acrylic, 500 gram. Nitrosol, 3 tablespoon. Ammonia, 15 ml. Formalin, 15 ml. Genipaul, 10 ml. And deformer, 10 ml. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. Now this is calgon and this is titanium dioxide. Here we have calcium carbonate. This is PVA, also known as acrylic, and this is nitrosol. This is ammonia solution, and this is formalin. This is genipaul, and this one here is deformer. Now measure about 2.5 liters of clean water into a bucket. Now add your calgon and stir. You can now add your titanium dioxide and stir very well. Add your calcium carbonate also. You can now add your PVA, which is also known as acrylic. You can add your Jenipo and deformer. At this point, you can add your Nitrosol. When adding the Nitrosol, first dissolve it in water before adding it to the paint solution. Nitrosol here is used as a thickener. You can now add your ammonia and formalin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your emulsion satin is ready. Now let me add here that all emulsion paints are produced this way, whether white or off-white. Off-white here means colored emulsion paints like red, green, yellow, etc. Now to produce off-white paint that is colored emulsion paint, you will require a paste. I will show you in our subsequent videos how to produce off-white emulsion paint. Until then, thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources, or you can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.